Now that I have all my note cards and my subtopics and everything in my outline, I'm ready to export it to a Google Doc so I can print it to have next to me while I'm writing my draft, and also to turn into Schoology for my outline assignment. So I'm going to start by going over here to the print button in blue. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to pull down a couple options. I'm going to choose Outline with Note Cards. And then it's going to give me these different options. I want to export to Google Docs. And then I'm going to unclick some of these because I don't need all of these to show up on my outline. So I don't need cues, and I don't need tags, and I don't need the URL. I definitely want to keep the source. Definitely probably want to keep page numbers, especially for my print source. Keeping quotations and paraphrasing in my ideas. And I can also probably get rid of History Creator. So I'm going to have those selected and submit. And it's going to ask me to choose a Google account. I want my CCSD Google account, so I'm going to select that. It's going to ask if it has permission to access my files, so I'm going to click Allow. And it pulled up my outline in a Google Doc. Isn't that beautiful? Now, if I look at my outline here in the Google Doc, it's a lot of pages. I've got like 9 pages of outline. I don't think I need all of that. It fit in a little spot on Noodle Tools. So I'm going to see what I can get rid of. Let's see. There's my working thesis statement. Okay. Here's my first subtopic. That looks good. I don't know that I need the label for my title. So if that's the title of my next point, okay. I can get rid of that. See how I can start to get rid of stuff? Okay, I definitely want to keep my direct quote and my paraphrase and my ideas, but I don't necessarily need all of this source information in my outline. But what I want to do is, for my essay, I'm going to want to have a parenthetical citation. I'm going to want to put it in the body of my essay. So I'm going to turn this source information into a parenthetical citation. So this quote is by Tom Parrott. So I'm going to go in here, get rid of my period, go outside, and put in my parenthetical citation. So parentheses, and for a citation for MLA, all I need is the author's last name, Parrott. And if it was a print source, I would use page number, but it's not a print source. It's an online source, so I don't need a page number. So I'll do my end parentheses, period. Now I have my parenthetical citation. Because this is a paraphrase of this quote, I want to do the exact same thing for my paraphrase, so I can just copy paste that down below for my paraphrase. And now I don't need all of this information. It's still saved in my Noodle Tools, it's still saved on my Works Cited, but I can get rid of it in my outline. And then I've got all I've got left is my topic, my quote, my paraphrase, my ideas. That's really all I need out of my note card for each of my note cards. So for the next one, this is my next note card. That's what that line means. Again, I can get rid of those labels. And this one, same thing, but this is my book. Okay, this is my book, and it also has 2 authors, Russ Hodge, Nadia Rosenthal. So I've already put my page number down here in my parenthetical citation. I did that when I did my note card. So what I need to add is my authors. Again, just last names. So Hodge, and then I'm going to say and Rosenthal. Okay, and then I don't even need a comma, just 102 for my page number. That's all we do for MLA citations. And now I can get rid of the page number here because I've got it in my citation. I'm going to copy paste that parenthetical citation down onto my paraphrase. So I've got it in both because I don't know yet if I'm going to use my paraphrase or my quote. And then I can get rid of the citation itself. So all I have is, what is this one about? Here's my direct quote. Here's my paraphrase. That's all I need to do for my outline, and I'm already shortening up my pages. So keep going through your entire outline, keeping it short, turning all those sources into parenthetical citations, and just keeping the note information, the paraphrase, the quote, your ideas. When you're done, you'll have a nice, neat outline to work off of for your rough draft.